Hey folks, I wanted to show you this 10-piece drill bit set. These are great for masonry, concrete, tile, going through pretty much whatever you need to go through. And the beauty of it is they come in a nice case so you can keep them all separated. So take your hammer drill, put the bit in there. It's got a hexagonal shape so it holds its place. Make sure you set it on hammer, not just your normal drill. Make sure it's on the hammer setting. I'm going to test it on a piece of brick. You'll notice I go through, I pull it back, just to get all the shavings and everything, and it doesn't heat up. I go in and out several times. It takes me about 4 times, and you can see I'm getting close to the end. Goes all the way through. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and bites right through it. So you can see the hole goes all the way through. Great set of drill bits. All right, and again, 10-piece, and it comes with multiple sizes, multiple bits for all. It goes all the way up to a 1/2-inch size, and you can see the serrated end on it. And there's that hexagonal part that I was telling you about. It tells you the size on the bottom of it, so you know what you're looking for. And now we were compensated for our honest review of this, and I'm really looking forward to having it with all of my drill bits and my tools in my garage for anytime I need to go into brick or mortar or whatever I'm doing. So hope you guys like it, enjoy it.